Antique hardware in kitchens is a design choice that easily adds character and a vintage feel to any space. Antique hardware refers to door handles, drawer pulls, knobs, and other hardware that is often made of materials like brass, bronze, wrought iron, and porcelain. These materials were commonly used in older homes, which makes antique hardware an excellent fit for vintage and traditional designs. However, antique hardware can also work well in modern and minimalist designs, creating a unique contrast between the old and new. When designing a kitchen, there are several factors to consider when selecting antique hardware. The first factor is the overall style of the kitchen. Antique hardware can complement any kitchen style, from rustic and country to elegant and formal. Antique pulls and handles can give a modern kitchen a vintage twist or add an elegant touch to a traditional kitchen. The second factor to take into account is the material of the antique hardware. Brass and bronze are commonly used materials in antique hardware, which can provide a warm and inviting feel to any kitchen. Stainless steel is a material commonly used in modern kitchens, but it can also work with antique hardware, creating a juxtaposition between the old and new. The third factor to consider is the color of the antique hardware. Antique brass and bronze have a subtle gold and brown hue that pairs well with warm-toned cabinetry, while wrought iron adds an industrial or rustic touch to any kitchen. Porcelain and ceramic knobs and pulls can add a pop of color to any kitchen, making them suitable for kitchens with neutral color schemes. When choosing antique hardware to design a kitchen, it is vital to take into account the rest of the kitchen's design elements. For instance, the color scheme, cabinetry, and countertops should complement the antique hardware, creating a cohesive design. Below are some popular antique hardware options and how they can fit into different kitchen styles. 1. Brass hardware is one of the most versatile antique hardware options for a kitchen. It is warm-toned, adding a luxurious and elegant feel to traditional kitchens. Brass hardware can be found in different finishes, including polished brass, brushed brass, and antique brass. Polished brass has a reflective shine, while brushed brass has a matte finish. Antique brass has a darker hue, giving it an aged finish that can work well with vintage and rustic kitchen designs. Brass hardware can pair well with wood cabinets, marble countertops, and traditional kitchen accessories like bronze chandeliers and antique china. It is a popular choice for kitchen cabinetry with raised panels and ornate designs, which complements the elegance of the brass. 2. Bronze hardware is another popular choice for antique hardware in a kitchen. It has a similar warm-tone finish as brass, but with a more subtle appearance. Bronze hardware works well in traditional and rustic kitchen designs, giving off a warm and inviting feel. Bronze hardware can come in different finishes, including brushed bronze and antique bronze. Brushed bronze has a matte finish, while antique bronze has a darker patina that can add an aged look to the hardware. Bronze hardware can pair well with wood cabinets in dark finishes, like cherry or mahogany. It complements natural stone countertops like granite or soapstone, creating a cozy and inviting kitchen ambience. 3. Wrought iron hardware is one of the most popular choices for rustic and industrial kitchen designs. It has a unique texture that can add depth and character to any kitchen. Wrought iron hardware can come in different finishes, including black and dark brown. Wrought iron hardware works well with wood cabinets and rustic finishes, like distressed or natural. It complements natural stone materials like slate or concrete countertops, giving off an industrial and functional vibe. Wrought iron hardware can also work well in modern kitchens, creating a unique contrast between the old and new. 4. Porcelain and ceramic hardware can add a pop of color to any kitchen. They come in different shapes and colors, including floral designs and fruit motifs. Porcelain and ceramic hardware can add a playful and whimsical feel to any kitchen. Porcelain and ceramic hardware can work well with wood cabinets and light finishes, creating a bright and cheerful kitchen ambience. They pair well with natural stone materials like marble or quartz countertops, adding a subtle contrast to the design. 5. Glass hardware is a unique option for antique hardware in a kitchen. It has a vintage feel, adding a touch of elegance to any kitchen design. Glass hardware can come in different colors like clear, amber, and green, creating a unique look for any kitchen. Glass hardware works well with wood cabinets and light finishes, like oak or maple. It pairs well with solid surface materials like Corian or Formica countertops, creating a sleek and contemporary kitchen design. Antique hardware in kitchens is a design choice that can add character and unique design elements to any space. When choosing antique hardware, it is essential to consider the overall style of the kitchen, the material and color of the hardware, and how it would complement the rest of the kitchen design elements. Antique hardware options like brass, bronze, wrought iron, porcelain, and glass can add different textures, colors, and patterns to any kitchen, creating a unique design that is both functional and beautiful. With its timeless appeal, antique hardware is a design choice that can last for years and add value to any home. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.